here, I'm going to change. So the left side is Bitcoin,
Mm-hmm.
and the right side is going to be ETH. So you can see how, like, candles have these wicks, right? So it's just my observation that, like, if a candle closes without a wick, like if it's just a full body candle,
Yeah.
then then the next candle might not have a wick, because it just indicates that, like, there's a lot of uh like there's a lot of pressure for that candle. So if it's a full body candle, it doesn't tend to wick that much, but pretty much every candle has a sort of wick. So if the candle closes, the next candle is going to swing a little the other way, and price tends to
Form a little
retest.
wick.
Yeah, form a little wick before, like, actually moving towards the direction of the trend that it wants to. So say, like, so this Bitcoin and ETH, and Bitcoin closed kind of. I mean, I wouldn't say it's bearish or bullish. Like, it can go either way.
Yeah, a little
Uh,
undecided there.
a little undecided, but if you look at the quarter, it looks pretty bearish on ETH and
Yeah.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, those both look a lot more bearish.
See, that's a bearish engulfing candle,
Yeah.
and
And
and so
we're looking for like the crypto market to stay kind of in a bearish trend if it's going to continue the like 4-year cycles that it's been in since its inception basically, then
yeah,
we would expect to see this bear market last for like around another year or so, till
right,
about April, May or so of 2024.
right, right,
Which
right.
also will line up with the Bitcoin halving event and kind
Mhm.
of become the catalyst for the next bull trend, if we're going to stick to that pattern.
Yeah.
So definitely not
S-
unheard of here to think Bitcoin's going to continue to fall. And yeah, I think you've marked out there like the
Yeah,
potential retest.
this is looking at the weekly. So the monthly and the quarter kind of closed bearish to neutral. Longer time frame, definitely, I think it's still bearish. Uh, you know. So,
Yeah,
like, my guess is, like, we kind of chop around and keep falling through the rest of the year. But it's not going to go down in a straight line. We did share uh, a long time ago the log chart, where, if you look back, we still need to, like, we have some ways to, like, uh, to go, and we're going to keep grinding till we hit the base of the log curve. It's called the Maxi wave model, and then until we find a support base in preparation for the next bull market.
yeah,
So, like I said, it's not going to fall in a straight line. Things are going to retest, and looking at the monthly, the monthly is closed, so we might have this retest. By changing to the weekly, we do see a potential trend line, and it is actually exactly, it did wick to the trend line.
yeah.
So either it just, like, nukes from here and then falls straight down.
Yeah,
See, or
flips
it
us back
pushes
down.
up. Yeah, or because, like, the strength band of an indicator is still acting as support, and
Yeah,
you can see how it's, like, trying to
it's trying
form a
to
base, and
maintain
it's
it. Yeah,
bounced.
and if it does become the base for the bounce, then we can definitely get a much higher retest.
Right. And ETH lost it, and now it's trying to retest the strength band. But it all depends on Bitcoin, right? So,
Yeah.
but we still haven't got a bear print. So we could either top out here, and this could be just the top of the retest, or it could push higher to the next sort of monthly or weekly resistance zone. So that would, like, be 20, between, like,
28 and
28
29.
point, yeah, anywhere between, like, 28.3 to, like, 28.9, around that region
Yeah.
for Bitcoin. And we've discussed this before, but the crypto market pretty much follows Bitcoin. So we
Yeah.
mainly track Bitcoin. You can see, like, ETH moves the same way. It's kind of like a beta of Bitcoin. It's just going to move.
Yeah, exactly.
move
Yeah.
or drop in bigger percentage, but like it's going to follow pretty much the same direction.
Yeah.
So if that's the case, then ETH, if again we're close to resistance, so it either like tops out here or pushes higher to like 1850 around there.
Yeah.
Basically the next weekly resistance.
Yeah, and I also like to keep track of the Bitcoin chart movement. Although it's a 24/7 market, it tends to move most like of its volume happens during the trading hours of the New York Stock Exchange. So
Yeah,
generally
yeah,
speaking, it's great to keep an eye on it, 24/7, but I would give most weight to trading days that are actually like active trading days in the equity market as well, not just, oh, Bitcoin trades 24/7. There's a lot of shenanigans and low volume activity that happens over the weekends when the rest of the stock market is closed, when the financial, mature financial world is asleep.